The neutrino hits the proton, changing it into a different, heavier particle, which flies through the water faster than light. This is part of the reason why KM3net sits 3,500 meters underwater. And nothing can go faster than the speed of light in vacuum, but light slows down a lot in water. So there are actually particles that can go faster than the speed of light in water. And when they do, they create waves of light, making this cone shape behind them. Is it sort of like a sonic boom? Something is moving faster than sound, and so there's like a wave around it in a cone?
It is exactly like a sonic boom.
In this case, instead of going faster than the speed of sound and making a boom, they go faster than the speed of light in water and make a flash of blue light.